Hey gang, welcome back to my first lesson on my new YouTube channel, Learn English Spanish with Mr. Khan. So in this video, I'm creating video about grammar actually, which is very easily for you to understand. And I thought you might be understand, yeah, you might be understand cause it's very easy, right? So di video kali ini gue bakalan memaparkan grammar, yaitu penggunaan this, that, these, and those. So untuk pronunciation-nya, pronunciation, pengucapan is th is dibaca atau diucapkan, right? So your tongue is appropriately in the front of your mouth, right? So this, that, these, and those. So akhir kalimat ini dibaca seperti huruf Z. So these, those. So this itu artinya ini dan digunakan pada objek single atau satu. Contoh, this mug, right? This mug. And that itu digunakan untuk objek third person yang sangat-sangat, bukan sangat ya, tapi jauh. So like for example, the mug, right? And these itu digunakan untuk artinya ini, yes, ini, dan digunakan untuk objek yang lebih dari dua, kayak these things, right? This mug and this eraser, right? So this mug and this eraser. So those itu digunakan pada objek yang jauh, untuk menunjukkan objek yang jauh. Artinya itu like for example, like anggap aja ini jauh ya. So those mug and eraser. So those mug and eraser. So yeah, that one. It's a simple thing, isn't it, to understand that one, right? So pronunciation is very important. This, that, these, and those. Okay, I hope you understand what I was teaching you, and I thought that was clear, very clear to understand, cause ini merupakan grammar untuk pemula dan sangat mudah dipahami, right? Yang paling penting adalah pronunciation. karena banyak orang Indonesia khususnya itu salah menyebutkan kata ini kayak this, this, that, this, and those. Jadi kayak th-nya itu dibaca deh, kayak d gitu ya. I don't know actually. The correct is right. So if you want to clear and speak like that one, just practice more, cause practice makes better. Right? So that's the end of the lesson. Hopefully you can understand, and don't forget to subscribe my new account YouTube channel, right? Subscribe, it's very important to support me and to make another lesson. So yeah, have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye.